Next, sixth. Find the values of the following trigonometric functions in the exercises 6 to 10. We are finding the values of this trigonometric function from 6 to 10. Sixth question, sine of 765 degrees. By getting this answer, you should remember one formula. What is that? Already given in notes. We expect also sine of any trigonometric function. Sine of 2n pi plus r minus 2n pi plus theta is equals to sine theta only. Similarly, cos of 2n pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. Remaining anyone. Otherwise, if you write in degrees, simply you write to take like this. F of 2n pi plus theta is equal to f of theta. Here f is a trigonometric function. F is a trigonometric function. If that is sine, maybe sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, secant, everything. So that means, for example, sine of a into 360, sine of n into 360 plus theta is equals to sine theta only. So you remember this one. After rotation, how you see? Here I am starting with 0. After completion of the rotation, this is 360. If we add this one again, it is giving first quadrant. If we finish the second rotation, again 360 plus 360, that is 720. If we add some again, it is again going to same position. So that means after completion of one revolution, the every trigonometric value gives the same value, right? So based on this, we are proving this one. So what I am writing to see here, this is equals to sine of 720 plus 45. Sine 720 plus 45 is equals to sine 765. This is equals to what I am writing, 2 into 360 plus 45 degrees. 45 degrees. It is in the form of sine of 360 into n plus theta is equals to sine theta only. Sine theta only. So, based from here n in place of n, otherwise n into 360 or 360 into n. So, multiple of 360 is the n. Here n is belongs to natural numbers. N is belongs to natural numbers. You see here, sine 360 in place of n is equals to 2. So sine 360 into n plus theta is equal to sine theta. Here theta is equal to what? 45 degrees. So this is equals to sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 value 1 by root. Sine 45 value 1 by root. Therefore, sine of 765 degrees is equals to 1 by root is the answer. Next to 7th question. Cosec of minus 1410 degrees. 1410 degrees. How we are solving this? Cosecant of minus x or minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. First we use this formula. This is equals to minus cosec 1410. This is equals to minus cosec. This is equals to 1410. So you multiply. What is the multiple of 360? This one is near to this value. 360 into 2, 720. 720 plus 720, 1440. 1440. So minus. So this is equals to what I am writing? 1440 minus 30 degrees I am writing. 1440 minus 30, 1410. 1440 is equals to cosec of 4 into 360 minus 30 minus 30. You see this one. This is the somewhat different thing is there, you see. So here 363, after finishing one revolution, it is giving same position. After that, 4 times 4 revolutions are finished here. 4 revolutions are finished. 4 revolutions. After that, it is in the x-axis. That means 14, 40 at the it is lies on the x-axis. Minus, that means it is giving 4th quadrant, right? If it is plus 1st quadrant, if it is minus 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant means in 4th quadrant cosec is negative. So that here what is the formula? Cosec of n into 360 minus theta is equals to minus cosec theta minus cosec theta. This is the formula. Cosec of n into 360 minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So this is equals to minus of minus cosec 30 degrees. Minus into minus plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 degrees is equals to 2. Cosec 30 degrees is equals to 2. This is the 7th one solution. Next to 8. See once. 6th and 7th. I will write this one. Next question I will write next. Okay. Next 8th question, tan of 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. See, if you divide these 19 by 3, 19 by 3, 6 times 18, remainder is 1. So that means 19 by 3 we can write as 6 plus 1 by 3, right? 6 plus 1 by 3. So you see here this is equal to tan of 6 pi plus 1 pi by 3. Here pi is there. So you write here pi, 6 pi plus pi. 6 pi plus pi. This is equal to tan of, it is 3 into 2 pi plus pi by 3. It is in the form of tan of n into 2 pi, otherwise 2n pi plus theta is equals to tan theta. So from this formula, this is equals to tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 equals to degrees, 60 degrees. Tan 60 value root 3. So tan 19 pi by 3 value is root 3 is the answer. Okay. Next to question number 9. Question number 9. Sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 pi by 3. So sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. Okay. From this formula we are writing minus of sine 11 pi by 3. Right? This is equals to minus sine of, what I am writing is see 4 pi minus pi by 3. You take the LCM, 3 LCM, 4 into 3, 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi. So, if you divide it to 11 divided to 3, what you are getting? It is 3 times 9, no? Plus the remainder is 2. Compared to 2, 1 is the near value. So, I am taking 4 times. 3 4s are 12, but it is 11. 1 time less is there. So, minus 1 by 3. Otherwise, this one I have written as 4 pi minus pi by 3. We are getting same value. Right? So, this is equals to minus sine of 2 into 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. This is in the form of sine of n into 2 pi minus theta is equals to, after the one revolution, the angle present on the positive x-axis. After finishing the any revolution, any number of revolution, it lies on the positive x-axis. If it is pressed, it will go to first quadrant. If we subtract, it is in fourth quadrant. Here subtraction is there, so it is the fourth quadrant angle. Here 2n pi plus theta is the first quadrant angle. 2n pi minus theta is the fourth quadrant angle, right? So minus theta is there. So it is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sign is negative. So minus sin theta. So here what we are getting? Minus sin pi by 3. Minus into minus plus sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 360, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Therefore, sin 11 minus 11 pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2 is the answer. So, like this, you write the answer. And this is your 8th and 9th solutions. Next to 10th one. Next to 10th question. In this exercise, last question. Cot minus 15 pi by 4. So cot of minus theta is equals to minus cot theta. So this is equals to minus cot of 15 pi by 4. So this is equals to minus 4 4s are 16. So here 1 less is there. So minus pi by 4 I get. To take the LCM, 4 4s are 16. 16 pi minus pi 15. How I divide it? You see, 4 4s are 16, but here 15 is there, 1 less is there. So you subtract 1. That's it. Next, this is equals to minus cot of 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 4 I get. So it is in the form of cot of n into 2 pi or 2n pi minus theta. What I told, cos of 2n pi minus theta, 2n pi plus theta lies in first quadrant, and 2n pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, right? Otherwise 360 into n plus theta. Here this one 360 n into 360 or n into 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So you remember this one. So it is a fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the function value is cot function value is negative. So minus cot theta. So minus cot pi by 4. That is equals to cot pi by 4. Therefore, cot minus 15 pi by 4 is equals to cot pi by 4 value, cot 45 1. So it is the answer. This is our 10th question. Exercise our last question. Right? Next, in this exercise we have examples 6 to 9 questions. 6 to 9. That means 4 example questions we have. 6 to 9 examples. Now you see example questions. 6 to 9 examples we are solving now. Example 6. Sixth example, if cos x, example 6, if cos x is equals to minus 3 by 5, x lies in third quadrant, find the other values of, find other 5 trigonometric functions. So similar 1 to 5 questions we solved. So similar method you follow, you can get this answer. The answers also is there in your textbook. Once you solve those and check your answers. Right? This is the sixth one. Next to example number 7. Seventh example is this also similar method only. If cot x is equals to minus 5 by 12 and x lies in second quadrant. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So this is also easily you can find. So other trigonometric functions, so we need to find. First 1 to 5 questions we solved. So in the same method you solve these 2 questions. Next question number 8. Question number 8 is find the value of sine 31 pi by 3. Question number 8. Find the value of sine 31 pi by 3. 31 pi by 3. This one very easy. You see, sine of 10 times 30. So 10 pi plus pi by 3. Okay. This is equals to sine of 5 into 2 pi plus pi by 3. It is in the form of n into 2n pi the base. N into 2 pi plus theta. Sine of n into 2 pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. So similar way, this is equals to sine pi by 3. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, which is equals to sine 31 pi by 3 is equals to. This is your 8th one solution. Next, last example, 9th example. Example number 9. Find the value of cos of minus 1710 degrees. And this is the question. So cos of minus theta is equals to plus cos theta only. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant cos is positive. So plus cos theta only. Therefore this is equals to cosecant 1710 degrees only. This is equals to what I am writing? 1800 minus 90. 1800 minus 90 is 710. 1800 is equals to what I am writing? 5 into 360 minus 90. So it is in the form of cos of n into 360 minus theta. So this is equals to n into 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos positive or negative? It is positive. So cos theta only. Cos theta. So this is equals to cos 90 degrees. Therefore cos of minus 1710 degrees is equals to cos 90 value 0. Answer is 0. This is our example and exercise questions. See, from this chapter, usually they are asking for 1 or 2 marks questions. How they are asking, you see? So, these kind of questions directly they are asking for 1 mark question. These examples and exercise, these 2 examples and exercise 6 to 10. Those questions directly they are asking for 1 mark questions. And exercise 1 to 5, this exercise 3.2, question number 1 to 5 are these first 2 examples, means 6th and 7th examples. These questions also they are asking for 1 mark questions, sometimes they are asking 2 mark questions. 1 mark question, how they are asking, you see, for example, sin x equals to 3 by 5, x lies in second quadrant, find cos x. That means they are asking only single function. If they ask 2 function value, then they are giving 2 marks. So usually they are asking 1 mark question only. So if you perfect in this exercise and examples, you can get definitely 1 mark. But there is a 1 mark question, you don't neglect this exercise, because it depends on the exercise. We have next exercises. Without knowing these questions, we can't solve next questions. So you practice well this exercise. Okay, in this exercise, in the chapter we have only 4 exercises only. First 2 exercises are finished. Next 2 exercises we will see in next video. Okay.